Um, I started like making things for this just to like give him like kind of seasonal decoration. I was like, why don't I just stream it? You know, like I wanted to play TFT later because I got good at that game. My second game, and no wait, my third game, and I got second place. It was such a long game though. they take as long as like the regular games of League. But yeah, right now I got started on dang, I don't have like a designated waste receptacle. He's gonna be made into like a little sunflower, so I've been making these little things for him just to put around him. You're gonna be hearing like a lot of ASMR. I'm gonna get like really intimate with the mic just to like dress him up and all of that, you know, take measurements and all of that. Just realized this could also be like Goku hair, or like in the middle right there. But yeah, this is gonna be fun. The first thing I made him was actually a little bikini. You can tell. Super sandwich. Oh my god! I do have like, I was looking at the colors that I have for him, and I do have colors that could make him like into a sandwich. It would be super cool. Oh, Super Saiyan lesbian. Rough, see if you know where that's from. Super sandwich. No, I did not understand that. Forgive me. But yeah, so just a sunflower. I have pipe cleaners. I have a bunch of pipe cleaners that I never did anything with. I'm not even kidding. I bought these like 5+ years ago. And I went through the crafting phase when I had my own money. I spent it. I spent it. You kind of lacking? Did you dye your hair green? What did you mention that before? That's still light. Can't really tell because like the thing just looks so white. But yeah, I moved this down so you can like see everything, but you can't tell what this is. That green? No! Why would I want to dye it green? Freaking! I dyed my hair. I was blonde for like a few years and it messed my hair up. Like, you do not understand like how. I mean, knowing what I know now, I don't know if I would be able to like maintain it properly. I feel like I could, but I don't want to. Not now. I just this. If I mess it up, imagine how long it would take to fix this. I'll do it the next time I cut my hair, which will be a long time. Look how long this is. Rapunzel vibes? I think so. I think so. Just some hair green, it wouldn't look half bad. Just not all green. You know, like highlights and all of that. I get it, but I don't know. It doesn't. Green? No. I like wearing green. I don't like being green. Buck fitty. But yeah, how's he doing now? Okay, I need to match the other side now. Just like down there and point that upwards and fold that down, move it in there. Oh, you know what I should do? 100% I should make a party hat. Oh yeah, like a little birthday thing. That'd be great. No. Okay, let's just take this off. No, I want to make a party hat first. Yeah, let's just like have this hanging there until we can like make the party hat. What colors do we want the party hat to be? I think the party hat would be like really good, really fun for like taking out on someone's birthday. Like, hey, it's my birthday on stream and I'm watching your stream and it's like, take out the party hat, that'd be fun. Give them like a tequila bottle. Oh my god. That's a great idea. A tequila. Okay, do I want it to look like? No, not tequila though. Because I don't drink tequila. Bourbon, whiskey bottle. Zappity. Zappity beep. A wine bottle, yeah. I like the idea of whiskey more. Yeah, I do. Okay. Colors, you guys, for the party hats. For his party hat. I have blue, green, gold, purple, red, and white. Gold will stand out more. Okay. Are you sure? Well, these are like kind of dark compared to, well, I guess in the light it looks fine. These stand out more, but I also can't tell because of the camera. Am I facing the wrong way? Hey, it's a French flag. I'm sorry. I don't know if that was respectful. A red or yellow? I mean, yellow is gold, right? Gold. Oh, that's a big one. Oh. That means that I've used some of these before. If they're cut like that. Ooh, these are nice. Ooh, these are party colors. Hell yeah. 100%. Party hat colors. Now to figure out how to... Is this purple? Am I colorblind? Okay. So... I think I want to... I'm gonna make kind of like a base layer. With the same color, I guess. You know, I saw that there was like an iCarly reboot, but you know what I want more than an iCarly reboot? I'm drinking Josh reboot. He got in trouble, didn't he? I saw the headline that he like endangered a child or something, but I don't know what that means. Like, did he endanger his own child? It seemed like almost a troll headline when I saw it, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna see actually. Drake Bell and Drake Bell news. What do you do? Attempted child endangerment. Wow, you can see all those wrinkles. How old is this guy? Violated his duty of care. This was like relating to... Had come to his concert in 2017? Drake Bell's first name is Jared. Drake Bell's first name is Jared. Oh my god. Get rid of him. Get rid of him. Put him in jail. No, holy cow, that's crazy. Being released on $2,500 bond. Sent her inappropriate social media messages. He's 31? Oh, he's not aging very well, is he? Dude, what? That's crazy though. It's crazy that guys like that will just like go for they're still going for like super young girls, and it's like, I'm right here. Look at me. I'm like a newborn over here. Freaking just kidding, that's messed up. No, it's I've heard people discuss it, like about this before. Or it's, how old are you? You don't want to know. 20V? 20 volts? I'm 20 volts. You look 21? Thank you. I'm not 21. This looks cool, little swirlies. Just add like a gold base to them. Hell yeah. Look at that. It's turning out really cute. Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. Party hat. Oh, there it is. I'm gonna fold this and make sure that I can fold it outwards. Oh, he's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna take the bra off. Don't look at him though. I'm trying to make him a little bikini, and it's could use some work. I'm definitely gonna make like something else for this too. I love his party hat so much. That was a great idea. Thank you. Who mentioned that, by the way? Or was it me? It was you who mentioned it. I knew it. I almost straight up, but don't want to take it off. Oh, wrong way. Right there. Oh, perfect. You know what? Let me put. Can I do that while I'm on? Can I do that while I'm here? Let me see. I want to add that now because I'm definitely gonna forget later. Channel points. And if it's your birthday, you get to specially come out with the party hat. I'm gonna make it really low so that anyone can do it. 500? Okay, we'll do that. 4 birthdays. I'm gonna have to make sure to keep this like handy. I'm gonna have to make. Oh, that'd be so cute! Like a little hanger for all of his stuff. Like over here on the side, there's a perfect space for it right here. I got glitter all over this thing. Oh no. Okay. Look at that. Oh, that's like straight up Goku here. A bit bigger than that. I like that. A little bit bigger. Perfect. Big cafe. Oh my god, that's only half. Can you see it? Oh, you can barely see it. It's like that. Yeah. What you making right now? A sunflower. So this is the base. Gonna go around his head. I don't know how I'm gonna hang it up yet. Probably just from the middle. Pringles or Ruggles? You know, Pringles had like something that I make because I went to Japan and tried it for the first time is egg salad sandwich. Egg salad sandwich. It's just like kewpie mayonnaise and hard-boiled eggs and black pepper. So good. Rolls are cancer. Freaking try it one of these days. But you have to try it with like really good bread. You can't try it with just like any bread. Because I've tried it with like regular bread because I ran out of my favorite bread, and no, it just did not taste the same. I mean, all dress ruffles have. Yeah, I gotta make like a Reuben or a sourdough and bread. Put a handful of those bad boys on there. I know there's a limited edition teriyaki chicken teriyaki. Oh yeah, these egg salad sandwich Pringles. They taste exactly like egg salad sandwich. The issue for me was that the flavor doesn't leave your mouth for the entire day. It tastes good, but you do not want that like taste in your mouth the entire day. Japan exclusive. Salt and vinegar chips. I don't even know where I got the Pringles. Because it wasn't at the supermarket. I know that. That was like, whoa. Because I don't go to the snack aisle at the supermarket that I go to. Their cheese and sour cream honestly slaps too much. The reason I look rough is having forced to eat them so many times. Yeah, I get that. I'm not a huge chips person, just because I just never like the taste, like, ever. I never liked them as snacks. I didn't like have them. I ate cookies as snacks. I like eating sweets as snacks. I didn't like eating salty things as snacks. But the only snacks I eat right now are like Chinese rice cakes with like raisins. And they're so good. And I don't know what they're called because the package is completely in Chinese. And what else? Baked Cheetos. I love baked Cheetos, man. And blue corn tortilla chips. Amazing, man. With fried chicken Pringles. I would try all of these except for shrimp and garlic. No, I can't eat. I don't like seafood. Salt and vinegar kettle chips with Italian sub. Ooh, that sounds good though. Look at that. That's straight up Goku hair right there. Mushroom and cream? What do you mean by cream? In America, soft shell. Yeah, where are you getting these? Are you getting these from like you have a box subscription, don't you? Like a snack box subscription, don't you? Because even if you do have access to like wherever these Pringles are, Japan limited edition Pringles, you have a box subscription, don't you? Glazed Pringles. Oh god, that's nasty. I want a donut though. I like have like a real craving for a donut. Do you have notes for your craft? Not at all. The party hat and the devil headband was just out of the blue. The sunflower thing I was working on for a while already. I had like a few petals already done, but I didn't know how I was gonna make it. But yeah. Oh my god, we're halfway done for this. Let's see if I can find custard apples. Ooh, custard apple sounds really good. Dude, I just shortened. And I only have 3 left. I'm gonna have to make more. Ah, man. Look how dense this is. Jeez. Dude, that's like... that's barely halfway. Brain smooth. Cannot think. Brain not here. Please leave a message. That has much brain. You could use my brawn as a ball bearing. Why do you want to bear my balls? The right to bear balls? That's a Manscaped quote right there. Yeah, this is an American song. Why women shouldn't have rights? Were you the house party girl? You don't mean the video game, right? I miss hangouts, no match cringe communities. I mean, you can just hang out in like like Lauren Alexis's chat. Like Amaranth. You can just hang out there if you want all of that. But yeah, no. I mean, people think I'm like I've always been kind of like an extrovert or something, but no, that was not the case at all. I became like a lot more outgoing really during kind of like knowing what true social isolation was for like 4 years, working at a factory where I got along with everyone, but I didn't. They were my friends, you know, they were just coworkers, and I was like, dang, I never actually had friends. So yeah, I didn't start making like actual friends until college. You know, the type of friends that you go out to like eat with, you go see a movie, hang out, and all that stuff. And you know, I had a group. Like I had like two sets of groups of friends. And yeah, that's where all my energy comes from these days. Well, I kind of always had this energy, but you know, it only really came out like recently. You ever wonder what do you ever wonder what the like 3 people watching who don't say anything in chat or the VOD watchers? I actually do keep track of the numbers sometimes if something on Twitter pops up. So like people just pop into the like skim over the VOD or something. I don't know. Because I don't get followers through that. Sometimes, not always. VOD watchers psychopaths. A few 37 to 50 people. Yeah, why aren't you in here, man? You should be in here on time and all that. Look at him! I love him! I love him! I love him! I love him! Oh, this is perfect! Oh my god, he either looks like a little liner or a sunflower, but it's cute either way. He looks like a little sun. So lovely. I love him. Let's try to shape it inwards a little bit. He's your son. Oh, my baby. My baby. It's my baby. So we got done the sunflower slash sun slash lion's mane thing for the mic cats. Standard thing, which we'll try to work on the leaves, the orange leaves. The cute little devil horn thing that needs work. Yeah, and my personal favorite, the party hat. But yeah, if you guys want to see more of this, go to my Twitch, twitch.tv/JessicaVitter. Like, comment, and subscribe. I post whatever I want, whenever I want. Bye.